Is a government contract available for your business? In Arizona, they are looking for janitorial cleaning services. This opportunity is due January the 10th, 2024 at 2 p.m. Now, there is a pre-proposal meeting that you will need to attend, and that meeting is going to be held on December the 19th, 2023 at 2 p.m. Now, it's non-mandatory, but I always recommend that you attend pre-proposal meetings whenever you have the chance to, whether it's yourself or someone that represent your company, to attend these pre-proposal meetings. You get a really good sense of what the RFP is about. I highly recommend you read the RFP before you attend a pre-bid or pre-proposal meeting. That way you get to ask questions that will really help in terms of how you respond to the RFP itself. So the RFP is your request for proposal. Here's some timelines you want to keep track of. You have the deadline for questions, which is January the 2nd, 2024 at 5 p.m. Visit procurementqueen.com to learn how to compete for opportunities like this. procurementqueen.com.